Today is September the 10th, 2015. This is a video from 2009 exposing the prison industry under Gov.O'Malley and the Democratic Party in the state of Maryland, Illinois. This legalized slavery. I was locked up because of this movie and this documentary in Illinois and in Maryland. It exposes Jim Crow justice. It's going to be a long video, but take heed to what it's saying. This is from the beginning.
Because I don't want her to say I violated my probation. Failure to report is a violation of your parole or probation. I turned in myself to the government. I turned myself into Eric Holder. And I'm on the witness protection program. And to make sure that y'all know what I'm doing and see what I'm doing, I'm hiding in plain sight. You can't violate me because Mr. Holder ain't answered the mail yet. You can't violate me because I didn't do nothing wrong. You can't violate me because you won't give me a trial. All right? We're going to show you that I'm a team player, okay? See that? That's Shorty. That's the Baltimore Orioles. That's the Shorty, and that's the Baltimore Ravens. Even though they lost, I'm still supporting them, and I support the Baltimore Orioles, and I got videos and stuff to prove this. Like I say, I was making a documentary, and there it goes. It's Shorty's documentary. It's making a movie about racism in the judicial system. And Ms. Humphreys, Mr. McGee, y'all part of it. I didn't want this in the state of Maryland, and everybody know that. All right? They signed a petition for this. I started this right here. This is when I started this. See that?
2007.
That's me.
Governor O'Malley approved this program, but he didn't know that the program was about him.
Film festival because Waller has the tapes and stole the evidence and destroyed evidence. I can't get the information. And I asked for the evidence from Judge Foreman. Right there. And my lawyer sent me a letter saying they're supposed to return my film. And they ain't did it yet. Eric Holder has a copy of it. Alright? So there's no mistakes about nothing I say or do. I was making a movie. And the movie was about our government. Alright? Charles Gibson. See? That's your TV station. If I'd have did something wrong, y'all have been all over the story about me now. But y'all ain't did nothing. I didn't do nothing wrong, so y'all know what y'all gonna do. You're gonna hide the story. It's about this. Beaten, tortured, and sentenced to 25 to life for minor drug offenses. This is what I am. I'm an advocate for the underclass in America. I'm their voice because you're not going to tell the truth. And it's about your judicial system. All right? This is about Maryland and Illinois' judicial system and the way you distribute the law amongst the minorities and underclass. So like I said, everybody got this. To make sure y'all play fair. That's Eric Holder. That's Eric Holder. That means you got it. That's my Witness Protection Program application. Hillary Clinton. That means you got it. That means I asked for political asylum from the United States, and both of y'all got it. So now what you gonna do with me? Governor O'Malley, Judge Foreman, Patrick Fitzgerald, Eric Holder, Hillary Clinton. I'm reporting. I'm doing my probation part. Some of you will say I violated my probation. Ms. Humphreys, I asked for a hearing in the state of Illinois. I asked for a hearing in the state of Maryland. I want a new trial. Try me because I was making a movie. And all of y'all know I was making a movie. It ain't easy being Shorty. You know what I mean? I played dumb and stupid when I had to play dumb and stupid. Because y'all tried to kill me. So this is where we at. Everything that I've been doing is on video. You see it on MySpace, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, alright? So now we're going to start outing y'all. It's election year. I promised you I was going to do this. So if my Maryland delegates don't defend me and my Illinois delegates don't defend me, deal with it, cuz. I got comedy in my corner. And that film festival coming up real soon. I ain't even got to give it out. I just give the film away to the people that show up at the festival. It's election year. And believe you me, I didn't come to y'all's cars to play. I didn't come to your office and grab them cards to play cards. I came to your office to give the cards away to the people so they can see how you represent the underclass in America. You gonna defend my rights, give me my life back, and tell the truth about Shorty? Because if not, lights, camera, action, cuz. Film festivals. Here goes my board. So let's start. Right here. We're gonna do this in 10 minutes because this is going on YouTube next week. And it's going to my probation officer this week, so that's my report.
Everything is on court display in Towson Courthouse, Governor O'Malley's office, the Attorney General's office, Eric Snowden's office, President Obama's office. I named the public officials involved in this corruption. I named their names and I dared them to open their mouths. I named church members, churches, Congressman Cummings' church, Pastor Dwayne Simmons, and all of it's documented very well.
Shorty's Underground Railroad was established in 1997. Shorty's Underground Railroad was established in September 2006, because that's when I started my movie. Get Shorty, 11/29/06. Ask Mayor O'Malley. Remember O'Malley? Get Shorty. I got the papers, man. You can ask Governor Steele too, because Lieutenant Governor Steele asked me to work for him to get black votes. You can contact his community liaison, Pastor Heath. All right, that was at 10/30/04. All right. Now we went from to 2007, 1/31/07. All right. Let's get it right. 1/31/07 was your first false arrest. You arrested me falsely for a bond threat you knew I didn't commit. I was in front of Judge Rossetti when your bond threat came through. I was in front of the judge, so how could I commit the threat? The telephone conversations show everything. You lied on me on 1/31/07 and again on 12/24/07. And you altered the dates on the paper, the arrest report. Who ordered my arrest? Whoever ordered my arrest is going to jail. It's the law, cuz. I've been filming in Illinois on these dates. 6/10/07, 9/2/07, and 12/24/07. I'm missing the tapes from 12/24/07.
The tapes from 12/24/07 was removed from the evidence locker of the Waukegan Police Department on February the 9th, 2008. They were never returned. The state's attorney has stolen property, misled the grand jury, and has destroyed evidence for a federal investigation.
Waller got the tape and he seen it. It was me snitching. I was snitching. This is a snitching video. The same way you sent them brothers to jail in Baltimore for making a snitching video, I want to see if the same laws apply to the corrupt officials. You can't steal, you can't lie, you can't rob drug dealers, dog.
All this paperwork is in the office of Governor O'Malley, Governor Ehrlich, WJZ-13, Karen Parks from Fox 45, Kai Jackson, Mike Shue, Christian Schaefer, the Baltimore Sun, Brent Jones. I gave all this to the media and the public officials. This was a social scientific experiment about racism in America's judicial system.
Now, when y'all give me a trial, it's going to have to be a federal trial. This thing called discoveries, all right? Discoveries. You're going to have to give me my indictment papers. You're going to have to give me the charging documents. You're going to have to give me all the papers that you brought in front of the judge. You're going to have to give me those 128 charges that you charged me with. You're going to have to give me all the emails before I went to court. You're going to have to give all the emails and letters that I wrote to Judge Morris, Bridges, Waller, Foreman, Rossetti. You're going to have to give all the videos I played, all the videos that you have in your possession. You're going to have to use my computer and use the hard drive. You're going to have to use my cell phone and that jailhouse diary from 1986 and 2008. We're going to tie you all together because you're doing the same thing, cuz. You didn't do nothing no different then as you did now. And the mail receipts. All of them. You feel me? All of them. Everybody that was involved.
The state of Maryland took my truck, my computer. All this material was evidence ready to go when I was getting ready to leave on 2/7/2011. I was going to my mother's funeral in Las Vegas. I was going to turn in this stuff to the federal government in Las Vegas. I had an interstate compact. I named everybody involved, witnesses and everything on this paper. And can't nobody deny nothing I say or do. I got the videos and the master copies.
Now this is my witness list, all right, for a federal investigation and a federal trial. You can call Waller and Nathan, because Nathan going to tell you he did what Waller did. Nathan going to tell you that it's black codes and Jim Crow justice. You have to call Judge Boris, Judge Bridges. Because see, I wrote Judge Boris a letter 4 707 invoking my constitutional right of self-representation. So you violated my rights off the top, cuz. Read the appellate brief from 1988. I can invoke my right anytime I want to. Alright?
I named judges, lawyers, just like Operation Greylord. I named them. State's Attorney Waller, State's Attorney Bernstein, State's Attorney Schellenberger are no different than Nafong. They knowingly lied to the grand jury, put information in front of the grand jury to get indictments, and they do it systematically against black individuals.
Say a lawyer that represents himself as a fool? Because I'm a big ass fool. And I told you from the start that what I was going to do to you. Just send you to jail. Alright, let's go on down the line. Judge Bridges couldn't be my judge. He was a police officer and arrested and harassed my members from joining Shorty's on 3386. Alright, 3286.
I'm just going to zoom through this and y'all just catch a quick glimpse. It names the people: Sellers, Tom Delaney, Rob Fix. And Rob Fix has all the material because, like I said, I was making a movie and a documentary. You got Rob Fix. You got Cheryl Nelson, David Irwin, Ed Norris, Governor Brown, Governor Blakelevich, Congressman Cummings, State Representative Bobby Zirkin. Dude, because all of y'all had full knowledge of the movie I was making. It was about Maryland's politics. My witnesses: Philip Davis, Giovanni Harris, Patrick Fitzgerald, Judge Turnbull, Schellenberger. All of y'all gonna have to tell the truth about this movie and tell the truth about what was going on. I ain't got nothing to hide. I got more videotapes than you can stand for the people to see. Special witnesses, names them right there. Media representatives.
Y'all see who y'all is? Alright.
Don Lemon had this for 6 years.
So we don't have no problem.
ABC, CBS, NBC, Barry Sims.
Show what everybody did. If you don't, I will. Told you, I don't need you. This was a scientific experiment. I couldn't tell nobody what I was doing, so y'all thought I was crazy.
I tied all of y'all together, and you can't hide from none of this.
Contact information, so if anybody want to ask anybody anything, want to find out anything, this is contact information, and it doubles as evidence. It's color-coded, because I'm a colorful individual.
The same way that y'all did Kwame Patrick with the emails, I got y'all locked up on emails from ddshortman@AOL.com. The government took over my AOL account. But that AOL account is like cybernet. It's still in the airwaves, in the internet. So, now I did the same thing with my Gmail account. And I got all of y'all on Gmail account too.
Everything goes to here. Y'all want to know what the government knows? Go to ddshortman@AOL. And I'll send you all the emails that I've been sending them. NBC, CBS, ABC, CNN, Waukegan, Baltimore, Chicago. All that goes through there. The second thing that's open to the public is my MySpace page. Shortman_9@yahoo.com. That's my jailhouse diary and the movie stills. Alright? Now I set up Shorty TV too. www.youtube.com/user. Open to the public, Shorty's voice. And you get to hear my mouth all day long. Don't get tired of my mouth. And I'm tired of being broke. So I've been to Chicago, Baltimore, New York, Zion, Washington, North Carolina, Waukegan, Florida, Vegas, and all points in between. And it's going to come out in the movie. Like I said, this is my probation report. So Miss Humphreys, you know what I've been up to. You know what I'm doing. I want my life back. I want y'all to have a trial. I want y'all to do what y'all supposed to do. Get in touch with the Justice Department. Ask them to do my witness protection. You're getting a copy of the video, so you know everything I'm doing. And I'll send you a nice little cute note. Miss Humphrey's been doing her job, so leave Miss Humphrey alone. Mr. McGee ain't been doing his job. He need to lose his job, just like Governor O'Malley. Because the truth will set me free. And it's going to send a lot of y'all to jail. Mostly them snakes in Lake County. Smile for the camera, y'all. Because I'm coming home again. Got me a Pez dispenser. How you want it? Different colors. I'm a joker, dude. Ha ha.
You can go directly to the Real News. Ask for Paul J. Ask Paul J to give you that video I gave him on 6/20/2014 at the grand opening. You can also go to Gov.O'Malley, Lieutenant Governor Brown. I gave him this. This is all evidence. You gonna talk about the real news? Let's talk about the real truth.